this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an account and add your first family to get started using PCIT Tracker. First, use our sign-in page to create your account. If you already have a Google or Microsoft account that you'd like to link to PCIT Tracker, you can do that here. Or you can sign up with your email manually, which is what I'll show you now. Once you get families and sessions added, this page will look a little bit different. But when you're just getting started, you'll see this welcome page that allows you to do things such as take a tour of PCIT Tracker, explore sample family data that we have pre-populated into the platform, or create your first family in the tracker. Let's do that. When you're creating a new family, you need to first add a label. We're currently encouraging users to avoid using PHI in the label so that it's de-identified. And then next, you add caregivers. We have pre-populated options for caregiver type, but if you're working with a particular individual that doesn't fit those options, you can enter it here to create your own custom type. If you're using an adaptation for PCIT, you can select an option for that here. If you'd like to learn more about how we have added the option for adaptations to the PCIT tracker, check out our other guide video on that. I'm also going to ignore the Import Family button for now, but check out our other guide video on importing and exporting families. Now I'm going to create a family, which will direct me to the family page. Here I'll be able to see and edit family information such as caregivers participating, dates they reach CDI goal criteria, whether I'm using an adaptation, and then also leave any notes here. Once I start creating sessions for this family, those will populate here. But for now, I'll click Create Session to set up for our first DPICs. For each new session, the tracker will prompt you to select the family, caregivers that are participating in that session, and the session type. Also, if you'd like to schedule sessions out for a future date, or if you're entering data for a session that's happened in the past, you can edit that date here. For now, I'm going to leave it and go ahead and create the session. And that will take us to our DPIC session form. If I want to add progress monitoring data before the observation, I'll click this button here. Then we are ready to go. I'll start my timer and begin tracking behavior data. I can click through the 3 different situations for the first caregiver here. And then when it's the second caregiver's turn, I can click on them and also add progress monitoring data for them and code behaviors. So that's it for a quick overview on creating an account and getting started. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us or take a look at our other guide videos.